Good morning, people. Check it out. I am outside of Winslow, Arizona at the Little Painted Desert, and this is awesome. How cool is that? Now this is a little different than the Grand Canyon in Texas, huh? But like I said, I stopped outside of Winslow, and this was one of the places I had to come see for myself, and it is spectacular. So the video yesterday was pretty short. I did a lot of driving. Today I'm gonna stay within Arizona. I might even make it to the Grand Canyon later, or I might go south to Phoenix. I mean, I don't know yet, but I'm gonna do more exploring here, that's for sure. And then from here, I'm guessing maybe through Vegas area, and then from Vegas into California, like through Nevada into California, and then go up north. As long as I can keep doing this, I will. I'll try to keep you guys updated as much as possible, but just taking it one day at a time, enjoying every view that I can, whether it's driving or just get out and look, snap a quick picture, video, what have you. Well, I got a room for the night. I'm in Boulder City, Nevada. My plan is to wake up early, head over to Lake Mead, spend some time there, check out the Hoover Dam, and then possibly camp over there. And what I didn't realize yesterday is that it's first come, first serve. And I did see a long line of people there as I was coming in, but I decided just to get the room, and that way I can at least start working on editing some of the videos and pictures and stuff that I've taken. But I would like to go camping today or tonight, spend some time around this area, and then I guess tomorrow, which will be Tuesday, today's Monday, I will drive into California. So that's awesome. I didn't get to go to as many places, I guess, because my budget was eaten up into getting the truck fixed. I'm 2 hours behind now compared to Central Time. It's taken a little getting used to, but everything on this trip I've been having to get used to. But yeah, today I want to be able to go and see the Hoover Dam. Maybe I can try fishing in Lake Mead. I mean, I don't know. I need to research and see how much it is to get a license for Nevada, at least a day license. I wouldn't mind trying to fish in Lake Mead. I mean, that whole area driving in was just beautiful. So, I mean, I don't mind spending some extra time around here. And then Vegas, of course, is 25 miles away. I've been there, done that quite a few times, but never have I actually explored like the area around Las Vegas. So I think that's going to be pretty cool to be able to do that this time. It's been unreal, people, and the drives and stuff. Yeah, I've been driving a lot longer than I had originally planned. Originally on this trip, I thought I was gonna, drive 4 or 5 hours and then mess around wherever I'm at, get some good videos, and be able to upload it and move on. But it just hasn't been that way. The last 2 days, I did drive probably about 8 hours each, but it's definitely been worth it. It was I've seen a lot of cool scenery that I know I've never seen before, or I don't know if I would ever see it again. Very beautiful, very breathtaking scenes. Just seeing parts of the country I've always wanted to see, and I'm so glad that I do have a new, stronger transmission put in there, because it would have been rough the other way around. I could imagine what would have happened if my truck had crapped out trying to go up one of these hills or something. The truck is driving good. Again, thanks to everyone who's helped me out with kind words or with financial things. We'll see what other stuff I get into today, but the plan is for sure to go to Lake Mead and check out the Hoover Dam, or head up through Nevada and into California. Nevada actually has been blowing my mind with the scenery. And I mean, the only part of Nevada I've ever been to was when I've flown into Vegas, and that's been, probably 4, 5, 6 times, something like that in my life. But I'm always just there in the Vegas area. I've never actually gone around the whole area, so I'm definitely going to be doing that. And then, like I said, once I get into California, I'm going to do more camping. Probably go up the coastline, up into Oregon area. I think that would be awesome. And I just want to see the redwoods and all those places. And I mean, I'm excited, and I'm almost there. I'm scratching at the surface, people. I'm at the beautiful Lake Mead in Boulder City, Nevada. And guys, just another breathtaking view. What else can I say? Well, I'm heading down a random trail here at Lake Mead. And check this view out, people. This is pretty cool. So I'm on this little random trail here at Lake Mead, and my goodness, are these views spectacular, people. It would have been fun to bring some of you guys along with me, but I guess in a sense I am through YouTube. But this is definitely a sight to see. This is so cool. And it just drops down in there. Of course, this is Lake Mead. This is where Hoover Dam is. Hoover Dam's located right around that side. And I did try to go to drive across the actual Hoover Dam, but there's no firearms allowed, and of course I have my freedom stick with me in the truck, so I had to turn around. Hopefully I can catch a good view of it crossing the highway there. I know yesterday when I came through, I saw a glimpse of it, but I wasn't able to record, so maybe I'll try to get that today. But if not, just gotta enjoy this view. Driving through Vegas. I don't know if you can tell, but there's the Vegas skyline right over there out my window. But I'm gonna head north. I'm gonna head north from here, and I'm gonna take a cruise down somewhere I've always wanted to go, which is the Extraterrestrial Highway. Who knows, I might even end up by Area 51. But again, if you can tell, there's Vegas. Well guys, while traveling north on 93 through Nevada, I stopped at this little area. It's a nice little lake with some trails and other stuff around. It's pretty cool to explore. I won't stay here that long, although it is very tempting to try to fish here. But this is a wildlife refuge. I haven't seen much of wildlife, but I haven't been here all that long yet. But it is very peaceful and relaxing. I think I'll take a little break here and then get back on the road. Well guys, I'm on the famous Extraterrestrial Highway. Let's see if I see any aliens or if it's just desert. Coming at you live from the middle of nowhere in the Nevada desert. I am on Nevada Highway 375, also known as the Extraterrestrial Highway. And there's a whole lot of nothing out here, people. But it's still been pretty cool. I'm glad I came this way. And I'll just keep going, but I thought this would be a cool spot to stop and just take in the views for a bit. UPS delivers in the middle of the desert.